Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, we will show you how to mark teachers' attendance under your school. Let's begin. Go to Teacher Attendance and click on Mark Attendance from the school dashboard. Select the date and click on Search. You will see the status as unmarked. You can mark the attendance accordingly. Similarly, you can also update the attendance for any corrections in attendance. In case if you want to backdate the attendance, follow this instruction as shown in the video. Now we will show you how to view the attendance status and statistics. Go to Teacher Attendance and click on Statistics. Select the date range accordingly and click on Search. To view the details, click on the date. There it will show all the statistics. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.